Although I'm going to avoid any of the more religious or spiritual implications of today's topic, essentially when examining the current state of human nature, I see that a majority of our behaviors and thoughts can be classified into either what I call limbic or cognitive. By limbic, I'm referring to our instinctual and emotional nature that tends to rule a vast majority of our lives. Neurologically, this corresponds to our brain's limbic structure. Interestingly, this is the part of the brain that we have in common with lower-level animals. In fact, I very often refer to this as our lizard brain, as the brains of the highly instinctual and reactive reptilian creatures are just about entirely limited to the limbic processing. However, as humans we have more developed thinking, rationalizing, creativity, and memory storage capabilities. For the most part, this can be described as our cognitive abilities. While our cognitive abilities are unique to our humanness, still our lives are a constant struggle between our reptilian urges and our thinking and creative nature. Sometimes, especially when I enjoy a football game or an exhilarating movie, my baser nature reigns. However, when my intellectual nature dominates, I am better able to shape my destiny. As transformational practitioners, it is important to know which of these two opposing natures our prime focus is. The use of suggestion and imagination to create behavioral and even physical changes has long been emphasized by trained and qualified clinical hypnotherapists, as well as others who use hypnosis as an adjunct to their field. They have used traditional, direct, and permissive techniques as ways to create desired changes. Many of these methods are either a half a century or many centuries old. At the International Hypnosis Research Institute, we emphasize the mastery of these older techniques as a prerequisite. Then we add to them newer techniques which have been implied by modern science. The result is an enhanced human communication program called Advanced Neuronoetic Hypnosis. Despite the rich history, traditional hypnosis and related fields like Freudian psychoanalysis, theories and practices are basically over a half-century old. Even popular ideas such as cognitive behavioral therapy are at best several decades old. ANH is based upon the latest thinking and research found in psychology, medicine, neurology, and physics. The underlying basis of ANH thus includes recent research, findings, and theory involved in neurology, theoretical physics, mind-body integration, and even artificial intelligence. When combined, the conceptual framework is called the neurology of suggestion. It carefully considers the impact of suggestion and imagination from a neurological standpoint. Practitioners who wish to learn these concepts are invited to enroll in the ANH certification program, which is comprised of 12 separate distance learning courses and includes over 75 skills. Please note that these skills are not meant to replace your current approach, such as CBT. Rather, these skills are intended to make you more effective regardless of your preferred methods. I encourage you to enroll in our program today by visiting www.advanced-neuro-noetic-hypnosis.org, or you may enroll in individual courses by visiting courses.hypnosisresearchinstitute.org. Of course, you are invited to support the Institute as a member. As well as other benefits, our small membership fee includes one free course which may be applied to your ANH certification. Also, members receive substantial discounts on individual courses and the certification program. For more information, visit www.hypnosisresearchinstitute.org.